Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows updates applied and you have an admin account. Once done, check which Office version is installed, 2016, 2019, or Microsoft 365, because repair steps differ slightly. Open Settings or Control Panel and locate Programs and Features. This is where you start the repair. You'll need the installer or the built-in repair option available in Windows. Starting repairs now avoids later license confusion and preserves user files, so proceed to the next step without delay. You run Quick Repair immediately because it fixes most issues fast. If that fails, choose Online Repair to reinstall core files. Once repair runs, reset licensing components, sign out of Office, clear related credentials in Credential Manager, and delete licensing token files so activation can retry. Then repair Visual C++ redistributables and run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to restore corrupted Windows files. These steps re-establish shared libraries and activation hooks, making Word functional without needing to re-enter a missing product key. You now sign back into your Microsoft account to let Office reactivate automatically. Make sure the account matches the licensed subscription. If activation still fails, run the Office Activation Troubleshooter and note any error codes. As a fallback, use Office Online or compatible free apps to continue working while diagnostics run. If problems persist, capture the exact error and run Microsoft Support Diagnostics or Chat Support. This accelerates resolution. One key tip: reboot between major steps and retry activation before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.